So the question is, what is disk IOPS and throughput? Let's answer the first question, what is disk IOPS? As you may know, at the computer startup, the OS kernel is loaded into the memory, and when you launch an application, the application code and data are also loaded into the memory. When the application needs to read or write data on disk, the application makes the system call. The OS kernel takes over and handles I/O requests. So IOPS measures how many blocks of data a disk can read or write per second between the disk and the OS kernel in memory. Each I/O operation transfers one block of data, and the block size is determined by the application. Typical block size include 4 kilobyte, 8 kilobyte, 64 kilobyte, and 1 megabyte. Larger blocks reduce achievable IOPS, while smaller blocks increase this. Now let's answer the next question. What is this throughput? As you know, every IOPS moves a block of data, and this throughput measures how much total data moves in 1 second, which means this throughput is the amount of data transferred per second. Here is the formula to calculate the throughput. Throughput equals IOPS times block size. When you provision a new disk in Azure, you will be presented with the disk configurations like this. Let's assume you select the disk of 128 GB. As you can see, this disk has the provisioned throughput of 100 MB and the provisioned IOPS of 500. With this configuration, we can calculate the maximum block size an application can read or write to the disk with the provisioned throughput. So the maximum block size is 200 kilobytes. If the application reads or writes a bigger block size of 1 megabyte, then the IOPS goes down to 100 IOPS.